How to add and create animated text effects in Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is a powerful video editing software that allows you to create stunning text animations and effects for your videos. Here are some steps and tips on how to do that. To add text to your video, you can use the Type tool in the toolbar or the Essential Graphics panel. The Type tool lets you create a text layer directly on the program monitor, where you can type and position your text. The Essential Graphics panel lets you browse and use pre-made text templates, both still and animated, or create your own custom text graphics. You can access the Essential Graphics panel by going to Window Essential Graphics. To animate your text, you can use the Effects Control panel or the Effect panel. The Effects Control panel lets you adjust the properties of your text layer, such as position, scale, rotation, opacity, and more. You can also add keyframes to these properties to create motion and transitions for your text. The Effect panel lets you apply various effects to your text layer, such as blur, glow, distort, and more. You can also search for the text effect in the Effect panel and drag and drop it onto your text layer to apply a pre-made animation. To customize your text animation, you can use the velocity controls or the graph editor. The velocity controls let you adjust the speed and smoothness of your text animation by changing the influence and interpolation of the keyframes. You can access the velocity controls by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the property that is keyframes in the Effects Control panel. The graph editor lets you view and edit the motion path and speed graph of your text animation by using handles and curves. You can access the graph editor by clicking on the icon next to the stopwatch icon in the Effects Control panel. To use more advanced text animation, you can use After Effects with Dynamic Link. After Effects is a motion graphics and visual effects software that offers more tools and options for creating complex and creative text animations. Dynamic Link is a feature that lets you import After Effects compositions into Premiere Pro without rendering them, so you can edit them in real time. To use Dynamic Link, go to File, Adobe Dynamic Link, Import After Effects Composition or New After Effects Composition.